Hey there, curious minds. Ever heard of the Tomb Sweeping Festival? Well, get ready to dive into a fascinating tradition in Taiwan that's all about honoring ancestors and celebrating family bonds. During the Tomb Sweeping Festival, Taiwanese families come together to pay their respects to their ancestors in a very special way. They clean the gravesites, offer yummy food, and burn incense to show love and respect. But wait, there's more to this festival than just cleaning and praying. It's also a time for delicious treats like sticky rice cakes and fun outings with family and friends. Picture this: families visiting grave sites, leaving offerings of favorite foods and spending time together, sharing stories and memories of loved ones who have passed away. And guess what? There are lively markets where you can buy all sorts of goodies for the festival, adding extra excitement to the holiday. Plus, with the weather getting warmer, it's the perfect time for outdoor adventures like picnics and hikes, making the Tomb Sweeping Festival a real blast. So as the Tomb Sweeping Festival rolls around, let's not forget the importance of family, tradition, and honoring our roots. It's a time to show gratitude for the love and wisdom passed down through generations. So here's to celebrating love, memories, and the beautiful tapestry of Taiwanese culture. Happy Tomb Sweeping Festival, everyone. And remember, it's not just about remembering the past, it's about celebrating the love that connects us all, now and forever.